Hey there, Shopify store owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to export discount data from your Shopify store using StoreRobo easily and efficiently. Unlike Shopify's built-in export option, StoreRobo offers advanced filtering and selection options, allowing you to export only the discount data you need. Now, let's dive into the steps for exporting discounts from your Shopify store with StoreRobo. First, open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and head to the Export section. Here, you'll see options for export templates. Select Shopify CSV and click Proceed to continue. Next, in the Select Data section, choose Discounts as the type of data to export. Expand this section, and you'll see an option to customize columns. StoreRobo allows you to select specific data columns for export, such as ID, discount code, discount type, and active dates. Simply check the columns you need. For this example, let's just export all the basic columns. If you want to narrow down your export, you can set filters by clicking on Add New Filter. StoreRobo's filters allow filtered data based on specific discount titles, active periods, criteria like active discounts only, and more. This way, you can export precisely the information you need. Now that you've selected and filtered your discount data, it's time to choose how you'd like to export it. If you want the export file to be sent to an FTP server, simply enable the FTP option and configure your server details. You can also customize the CSV format by selecting the delimiter or separator. The default is a comma, but you can change it if needed. If you think you'll need to export similar discount data in the future, StoreRobo lets you save your configuration as a preset. Just click on Save Preset, enter a name, and you're good to go, no need to reconfigure every time. Once everything is set up, you can either export your data immediately or schedule it for a future date. To start exporting right away, click Export. Watch the progress, and once the status changes to completed, you'll be able to download your file directly or access it via FTP if you've chosen that option. And that's it. You've successfully exported your discount data from your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.